Okay, so welcome to France. In this tutorial, what I will be teaching you is how you can actually do transfer and also swap any type of cryptocurrency you want. In case you have Bitcoin, like let me go to my wallet now, like going to my phone. Remember in my last tutorial, we bought Bitcoin from our bank account in Nigeria. So that Bitcoin, imagine I also want Ethereum from that Bitcoin. I can actually swap some fraction of my Bitcoin to Ethereum or to USDT or to any other type of cryptocurrency I want, just like the different type of cryptocurrency I have here. So in this tutorial, that is what I will be teaching you, how you can actually transfer the money we bought that the other day, and that is why you have to go and subscribe and watch my other videos so that you know how to buy Bitcoin with your Nigeria bank account very easy and safe. So in this one, you can actually transfer your money from this fund to this spot and to over this margin, futures, and different spot. So let's get started. Okay, so I want to transfer. You can see this is my spot. I have some money here. This is the one we bought the other day. When you buy, remember we use the peer-to-peer from this, yeah, from this place. So there, remember. So at the end of buying the Bitcoin, I will have our Bitcoin right now showing here. So we want to transfer this money to spot. Although we can also do our swapping from this fundy tab, but let me teach you how you can transfer from your fundy to spot in case you want your money to go to spot before you do your swapping. Although you can also do your swapping, so let me teach you that. Here you can see you click on this transfer is here. Just click on the transfer. So I click on it. Like you can see from funding to spot, and with the type of cryptocurrency, remember I only have Bitcoin available here. I have USDT, which is not up to $1, but I only have Bitcoin here, which we bought the other day. So let me do the transfer, and yeah, from funding to spot wallet. This is the funding I'm in now. I want to transfer because I currently now I don't have any Bitcoin here in my spot under my spot account. So let me go back to the fundy, do the transfer, and you can see the available balance I have in Bitcoin. In case you have other cryptocurrency under your fundy, you can actually find them here. You can just find them here and do. But look at, you can see these are the only balance I have on these two different type of cryptocurrency. On these two different type of cryptocurrency, which is BTC and USDT. So let's do some transfer. I won't want to transfer everything here. This is the available balance. I will not want to transfer everything there. So what I will actually do is click some fraction I want. I will just say 0.000, then let me say 2000. Yeah, 2000. Okay, or let me just remove the two. So this is the amount I want to transfer to my spot wallet. Remember, this is showing where you are transferring from and where you are transferring to, from and to. Okay, take note of it. Okay, so at the end of the day, I will confirm the transfer. Very fast, it has transferred some fraction, and this is the balance and I have after the transfer. This is the balance that is remaining under my funding. So at the end of the day, I will just go to my spot and I will see my BTC there. Let me refresh. My BTC will reflect. Okay, now you can see it's reflecting here right now. So currently now I want to transfer some amount to my Ethereum from Bitcoin to Ethereum. So that is what I will do right now. So I will go to my home tab. The home tab is here. So that is where I will go to home tab. Then you see this place, you click on more at the top screen. So you just click on more. Okay, then you just move down here. You can common function, another common function. You can see transfer, buy crypto, deposit. I think the only thing you can do here as in Nigeria is just to do transfer. I don't know for, you can also send, you can receive. There, where is it? That is where your wallet address will show. Then under trade is where I will see my convert. Okay, this is the convert. This is the tool we'll be using for this tutorial. is where we can swap our cryptocurrency. So I'll click on the convert, and so it's loading, and you can see from what I have here, I have my spot here. I have my spot here. I can actually change there to funding. In case the transaction I want to do is for my funding account, I can actually change it to funding. But currently now for this tutorial, remember we transferred from our funding to our spot, because we want to transfer from the spot to the from the Bitcoin on the spot to the Ethereum. So we have to go back to our spot wallet. Okay. So after going back, I want to transfer from Bitcoin to Ethereum. I want to convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum. So that's what I will do now. So I will type, you can see the available balance under the Bitcoin. So I will have to type 0.0, the fraction I'm going to send, and I want to send half of what I have there, which is 1. So to Ethereum. So I will preview the conversion. Okay, you can see no fees. There is one good thing. So I will convert it before the time run down, and you can see that's successfully convert for me. And I can just go back to my home and go back here and go back again and go to my wallet and refresh my screen to see what I have. Okay, so let's wait. Oh, I don't know what I've clicked. Okay, let me go back. Okay. Okay, so currently now you can see that Ethereum is at the top, because it is the highest money here right now. So that is how you can do your conversion from any type of cryptocurrency. Remember, in case you want to do you don't want to do, let me just go back to the more, then scroll down to see trade and convert, then under the spot. In case you want to transfer from Ethereum or you want to transfer from BTC, you can see Ethereum is showing here right now. In case you want to transfer any type of cryptocurrency, in case I want to transfer my Dogecoin, okay, to Litecoin, I will have to click, or no, I will have to click here to Litecoin. Let me look for Litecoin to Litecoin. You can see that's what is showing here. So you can just click here and say, okay, now I want to transfer to USDT, or now I want to transfer my Binance USD to, then you look for let me say, okay, like Tron. Then this just, then type the value. You can see the available value I have. I can just type the value 1.08, and at the end of the day preview the conversion and confirm it. That's all. So that is how easy it is to do your conversion from one cryptocurrency to another using your Binance app without trading with any user outside. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, because I will be uploading more tutorials here, and are mostly on cryptocurrency and forex trading. Thank you very much.